Meet Aaron. Last night he had an issue with his product, but he's not sweating over it at all. He knows how to get it replaced with ease. Here's how. He simply visits our website to look up the nearest service center, or visits our customer support portal, support.boat-lifestyle.com. Selects his product, selects his PIN code, gets automatically directed to the nearest service center. In case there is no service center available nearby, he becomes eligible for door-to-door replacement. All he needs to do next is fill in a few details about his product and describe the issue he's facing with the product. He then uploads his tax invoice and mentions his complete address and contact details. Voila! His request has been registered, as confirmed via email and SMS with the ticket number. Within 24 working hours, another email and SMS notification is sent to him with all the pickup guidelines mentioned, along with courier name and booking ID. Well, that was easy. All Aaron needs to do is be ready with the packed faulty unit in any box. No accessories needed. The package is picked up by the courier partner in a day or two. Package delivery updates are shared with Aaron via email and SMS. Once delivered, the service team will take 1 to 2 working days to test the product and update Aaron about the replacement or repairing of the product via email. Aaron can also track the update of his product by visiting our customer support portal. Once dispatched, Aaron receives tracking details via email and SMS and receives the product within 3 to 4 working days. And just like that, Aaron now has a fully working product back again.